Hi guys, so I just wanted to apologize to all of you for the confusion with the Born Pretty store giveaway. I know that there was a huge mishap there and yeah. Okay, it's all fixed though, I hope. So what we're going to do is we're going to, any of you that won, I have the winners now listed on the side of the screen. Any of you that see your name or your YouTube name on this list, please take a copy of the link of this video and re-email that bornprettystore@hotmail.com. And if there's any more issues, again, I apologize. I don't believe there will be, but just kind of redo this for me again. Sorry. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I need to say here. So congratulations if you do see your name over there. I hope you do get it. I hope you get it soon. This has been a little bit, this whole thing happened right at a horrible time. So, you know, sorry it took so long. But again, congratulations, and don't forget to send the email.